How are we going to begin the class today? We will begin the class with a brief introduction. Since it's my first day with you and I don't know any one of you, so I would like to know your names first of all. Who is going to speak first?
Ma'am, my name is Atharv Gupta.
Okay, Atharv Gupta. Wait. Alongside, I will mark your attendance also. So, Atharv
Okay, ma'am.
Gupta is present. How are you, Atharv Gupta?
Ma'am, I am fine, thank you.
Good. Who will speak next?
Ma'am, I, Ashri Agarwal.
Hello, Mr. Agarwal. Then,
Hello, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
who will speak?
Mommy,
Yes, speak.
my name is Minha.
Your name is Minha. Can I know your full name, Minha? Such a cute name.
Minha Khan.
Huh? Minha Khan.
Minha Khan.
Okay,
Yes.
very sweet. Next, who is going to speak? Hurry up, children. We are wasting time. Shaurya Tyagi. Shaurya Tyagi.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you, Shaurya?
Ma'am, I am fine.
Good. Then, next, can I hear from Ansh Patel? Ansh Patel? Beta, I can't hear you. Your microphone is not working. No, it's not working. It's not working. Okay, then we have Alankrita Yadav. Who is Alankrita Yadav? Yes. Beta, give your introduction. Alankrita, even you are not connected. Your audio is not working. Do one thing, just take out the wire of your earphones and then speak. Take out the wire. Yes, now speak.
My name is Alankrita Yadav. My name is Alankrita Yadav. I study in class 3rd B. The name of my school is SR International School.
Very
I
nice.
have a big and joint family.
Very nice, beta. Very good. Very nice, Alankrita. Then who else? Vedanshu Prakash. Vedanshu Prakash, can I hear from you? Yes, Vedanshu. Beta, don't feel shy. Just simply speak your name. My name is Vedanshu Prakash and I study in SR International School. That's all.
My name is Vedanshu Prakash. I study in 3rd B as an international school.
Very nice.
I have a joint family.
Very good. Very nice. So, till now we have...
My hobby is football.
Your hobby is to?
अभी मेरा नहीं आया.
Your hobby is to?
Football.
Oh, your hobby is to play football. So, you'll be a football champion, huh? Okay. Anybody is left?
Oh, Mia, how are you?
All are done? Okay. So, children, let me introduce myself now. I am Mrs. Neha Pahwa and I would be teaching you GK from now on. In your online classes, who is going to take your GK class? Who is going to take your GK class?
Neha ma'am.
But I'm
Neha
telling that
ma'am.
I will
Neha
be teaching. Yes, Neha ma'am will be taking your GK class from now on. Shalini ma'am will not be taking it. So is this the book that you are following?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Can I know till where have you done?
Ma'am, till
beta. Second chapter.
Yes,
Tell me the
ma'am.
page number. Tell me the page number.
Ma'am, page number 32.
32. Okay, you have done till 32. This page. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
We have done delicious food.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so today we have to start. Some cities in India are also known by other names. There are a few cities in India which are also known by some different names apart from their
Ma'am,
name.
page number 32.
33.
Ma'am, page number 32.
We have to do page number 32.
No, ma'am,
No,
just
ma'am, 33.
33. Ma'am, we have to do 33.
So beta, I'm doing 33 only. I'm reading out 33 only. Some cities in India are also known by other names. Now you have to take the correct answer.
Ma'am, my all chapter is done.
Very nice. Atharv Gupta. Very good. Okay. So Jaipur is called
Pink City.
Pink City.
Pink
How,
City.
okay.
Yes,
how
ma'am.
many of you say Pink City is the
Pink
correct
City.
answer? Raise your
No.
hands. All those who say Pink City is the correct answer, raise your hands. Yes. So all of you know that Jaipur is a pink city. How many of you have been to Jaipur? Have you been to Jaipur? Any one of you? No?
No.
Okay. Do you know one thing? That I belong to Jaipur. I am from Jaipur. I come from the
Okay,
pink
ma'am.
city. Yes. I was born in the pink city. Okay, next.
Oh.
Kerala is sometimes called
God's own country.
Our own city. Our own country,
God's
ma'am.
own country.
Because ma'am, my all work is done.
God's own country.
Okay. How many of you say God's own country is the correct answer? Raise your hands. God's own country. And how many of you say our own country?
Ma'am,
Yes. According to you, it's our own country? No, beta.
Yes,
it
ma'am.
is no, it is not our own country. It is also, it is what? God's own
own
country. Kerala is known as God's own country. If you have marked that, beta, make the correction. Make the correction right now so that you don't answer wrong in your exam. Have you done the correction?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Already.
Then, next we have
Sorry.
Jodhpur is called the
C.
dash.
Blue City.
Blue City.
How many of you say it's correct?
God's own country.
How many of you say it's
Ma'am,
Blue City?
Orange City.
Orange
And
City.
Blue City. I am going on Jodhpur.
Going on Jodhpur? Where are you going on Jodhpur?
Ma'am,
Am I going Jodhpur?
Yes. So if you are going to a place, you say, ma'am, I am going to Jodhpur. Okay? And if you say I am
Okay.
going on Jodhpur, that means Jodhpur is a vehicle. And you will sit on Jodhpur and then go. Will you sit on Jodhpur?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So say, ma'am, I am going to Jodhpur.
Ma'am.
Speak. First say the whole sentence.
I am going to Jodhpur.
Very nice. When are you going to Jodhpur?
Yes, ma'am.
When are you going?
Ma'am, I am going. Ma'am, I am going. I don't know, ma'am. Ma'am, I going in Jodhpur.
Okay, so you don't know when you are going, but you are going. Very nice. Wish you a very good trip. Wish you a very happy journey. Say thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Okay, so Jodhpur is called the which city? Blue city.
Blue city.
Then the fourth one, dash is called the Scotland of the East. Wow.
Shillong.
Shillong.
Are you sure?
Shillong. Yes, ma'am. Shillong.
Yes. Shillong is called the Scotland of the East. Why it is called the Scotland? What do you mean by Scotland of the East? Scotland is supposed to be, is believed to be a very nice place, beautiful place. And Shillong is as beautiful. So it is called the Scotland of the East. East, why? Because it lies in the east of our country. Shillong lies where? In the eastern side. So it is called the Scotland of the East. Then, how many of you have been to Shillong? Have you been to Shillong? Have you been? No, even I haven't been.
No, ma'am.
No,
No, ma'am.
Vedanshu is laughing. Vedanshu, why are you laughing? What makes you laugh? That I have not been to Shillong. Then you're looking so cute, smiling, huh? You still want to laugh. You're controlling your laughter. Okay. So let's move ahead. And dash is sometimes referred to as the temple city.
Madurai.
Huh?
Madurai.
Sure.
Madurai.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it's Madurai. Have you been to Madurai?
No, ma'am.
Even I haven't been.
No, ma'am.
India is so vast and we have not been to so many places. We must explore our own country. Okay, dash is called the city of joy. Now, in which city you went?
Kolkata.
Okay, very
Kolkata.
nice. Kolkata is called the city of joy. So you get a lot of joy when you enter Kolkata. Have you been to Kolkata? Why is it called the city of joy?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Why is it called? We must organize a trip to Kolkata and experience it ourselves. That why it is called the city of joy. Right? Okay. Next. Dash is known as the city of lakes.
Udaipur.
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 Yes, there are
Udaipur.
many beautiful lakes in Udaipur. So it is called the city of lakes. Very good. Then Dash is known as the Orange City.
It's Nagpur.
Why
Nagpur.
is it, children? Why is it called the Orange City? Tell me. Why is it called the Orange City?
Ma'am,
Do you know-
because the orange color is famous in Nagpur.
No. Orange color is not famous.
Orange. Ma'am, orange is famous in Nagpur.
Yes, oranges are famous. They are widely grown there. So that is why it is known as the Orange City. Some children think that it is painted orange, so it is called the Orange City. Is it so?
Ma'am, your voice is cutting.
My voice is cutting. Now is it fine? Now it's fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now everybody do one thing. Close your books. I'm going to ask you questions. Are you ready for it?
Yes, ma'am.
Close your books,
Yes, ma'am.
everybody. Yes. And where is Ashray Agarwal and Ansh Patel? I want to see your videos on. And where is Ashray Agarwal? Ashray Agarwal, beta, hurry up, come. Somebody left the meeting. Who left the meeting? Oh no. Okay. Alankrita Yadav, beta, put your video on. Now, children, if you hide yourself, I will think that you want to look into the book and answer. Is it so? Don't hide yourselves. Come forward. Yes, very good, Ansh Patel. Good. And Ashray Agarwal is still left. Ashray is not putting his video on. Ashray, are you eating something? Are you eating? Huh? Why is your video
Ma'am,
not
I
on?
am going for drinking water.
Okay. Now from tomorrow in your classes, you will keep your water bottle with you on your desk. Okay, so that whenever you want to drink water, you don't have to get up. Being there only, you can drink water. Everybody show me your closed books like this. Everybody show me. Very good. Okay, now keep them down. Vedanshu, you have opened your book. Vedanshu, have you opened your book?
No,
Sure.
ma'am.
Okay. So the first question is, which city is called the city of joy?
Ma'am, Kolkata. Kolkata.
Very good. The city of joy, Kolkata, is called the city of joy. Then, which state is also known as God's own country?
Kerala.
Kerala.
Good.
Kerala.
Kerala is the correct answer. What is Kerala known as?
God's own country.
Kerala is so beautiful, so nice that it looks like God has created it himself. God has created Kerala himself. That is why Kerala is known as God's own country. Then, which city is also called the Blue City?
Udaipur.
Blue City.
Jodhpur.
Jaipur.
Udaipur. Jodhpur.
Yes, yes. Who
Jodhpur.
said Jodhpur?
Jodhpur.
Minha said Jodhpur. Jodhpur is the correct answer.
Ma'am, I also said Jodhpur.
Okay, very good, Athar. Which city is also known as the Blue City?
Jodhpur.
Very good. And I can ask you question. Jodhpur is also called what?
Blue City.
Blue City.
Blue City.
You can be questioned any way. Okay? We can crisscross the questions and ask. Right? Then, which city is also called the Temple City?
Madurai.
Madurai.
Madurai. Why is Madurai called the Temple City?
Ma'am, because it has very big. There is a Meenakshi temple.
There is?
And has many temples.
Yes, it has got many temples.
Ma'am, because Madurai temples and have very big temples.
Yes, very nice. Then, which city is also known as the city of lakes?
Udaipur. Udaipur.
Very good. Have you ever done boating in any lake?
Yes. No, ma'am.
How many
Yes.
of you have done boating? 1, 2. Athar, I can't see your hand. Is your hand up or down? Ansh, very nice. So are you not scared of those deep waters?
No, ma'am, I am not scared.
You're not scared.
I go in Ganga River.
Oh, and you did boating over there.
Ma'am, I have gone in Ganga River.
Okay. And yes, Ansh Patel, Shaurya Tyagi raised hand. Yes, Shaurya Tyagi, beta, what do you want to say? Shaurya Tyagi wants to say
Ma'am, I
something.
have done the boating in Jagannath Puri.
Very nice. I have also done boating and I'm very scared of it. I fear that I will fall in the water. The boat will turn and I will fall. And I'm very scared. I don't like boating. Are you people not scared?
No, ma'am.
Very nice. Very brave children. Okay. Next question. Dash is called the Orange City.
Nagpur. Nagpur.
Which city is called the Orange City?
Nagpur.
Nagpur. Very good. Then, Dash is called the Pink City.
Jaipur. Jaipur.
Very nice. Jaipur. And now, anything left? Okay, yes, one thing. Dash is called the Scotland of the East.
Shillong.
Shillong. Shillong. Very nice. Shillong is called the Scotland of the East. Okay. Now, children, see, I have asked you the questions how they were given in the book. Okay. What I'll do is now I'll frame a full sentence and you have to tell whether it is true or it is false. Okay. Jaipur is called the Blue City.
False.
Very good. Very nice. Jaipur is called the Blue City. False. Okay. Udaipur is called the Orange City.
False. 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 False.
Very good.
False.
Nagpur is called the City of Lakes.
False. False.
Very good. Kerala is called the Scotland of the East.
False. False. False.
Very good. Shillong is called God's own country.
False. False.
Nagpur is called the Orange City.
True. False.
Wrong.
True.
Nagpur is called the Orange City. That is true.
Ma'am, my dear.
Okay, Vedanshu Prakash will answer now. Jaipur is also called the Pink City.
True.
Very good. Jodhpur is also called the Blue City. Vedanshu.
True.
Very good. Jodhpur is called the Blue City. That's true. Then, Madurai is called the Temple City. Atharv Gupta. Madurai is called the Temple City. What?
True.
True. Very good.
Madurai is called the Temple City.
Yes, that's true. Then, Kolkata is called the City of Joy.
The Kolkata is called the City of Joy.
True or false? It's true or false?
Ma'am,
True. It's
ma'am,
true.
what?
Beta, Kolkata is called the City of Joy. It is true or false?
True.
True. Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, it is true because
Yes, it's true. So here we come to the end of this chapter. We are done with this chapter. You want anything more from this chapter? Ashray Agarwal raised hand. Yes, Ashray, beta, say.
he enters the empty city of Jaipur. The plant are seated with the which
Andraya.
Ma'am,
Yes. I can't understand. Ashray, you
there
want to say
are 2 more pages.
of this chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's talk about the identity cards. What are identity cards, children?
Ma'am, I know.
Ma'am, it isn't passport.
I know. Passport.
Open up page number 34.
Ma'am, I know the entity card meaning. Ma'am, entity card meaning I know.
Ma'am, it isn't driving license.
No. Okay. What else? What more?
सारे
Ma'am, I know the meaning
अभी
of
नहीं.
identity.
Okay, children. Identity means. What does identity mean?
Ma'am, I know.
Ma'am, I know. The identity means our personal information, our
Personal information of a
personal
person.
information and e-identity.
Wait. Okay. Everybody put your mute
Yes,
button
ma'am.
on. You will listen to me for 1 minute. Everybody mute yourselves. Identity means the personal information of a person. Okay? Identity in Hindi is known as pehchan. What is my identity? What is your identity? Now there are, if we talk about the identity cards in India, there are different types of identity cards. Now those identity cards could be your PAN card, your driving license, your passport, your Aadhaar card, your voter ID card, your senior citizen card. These are different types of identity cards. Identity cards are also called IDs. Like you have your IDs of your school. Each child has a separate SR number. You people are studying in SR International, right? Raise your hands to say yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, each one of you wears a card in the school. You're supposed to wear a card. That card is your identity card of the school. That card has your personal information. Now, what all information is there on your IDs of the school? You have your name, your date of birth, your class, and your SR number, and also your father's or mother's name on it. Am I correct? Yes? So, your
Yes,
ID, if at all you lose your card somewhere, so what do? We through that card, we see your information and we try to locate where we have to hand over this identity card to that respective person. Is it correct? Now,
Okay.
what is the purpose?
Yes,
There are
ma'am.
different purposes of each identity cards in India that people hold. You are kids, so you have your identity cards of the school. Now, let's study about different kinds of identity cards. Name any 3 kinds of identity cards. Passport,
Can I tell?
Aadhaar card.
Passport, driving license, PAN card.
Okay. More,
PAN card and
Aadhaar
Aadhaar card.
and voter's ID. Voter's ID. Voter's ID is also there.
The
Voter's
voter
ID.
ID
Yes.
card also.
Voter's ID is a card.
Student card.
Yes, yes. Senior citizen card. These are different kinds of IDs that
ID.
people have. Now, if we talk about the first one, what is it?
It is known as passport.
Passport. Now, why do you have to carry, where do you have to, or when do you have to carry a passport? Tell me.
Start
Ma'am, I
class.
know. When we go to the outside of our country like
Very,
America, so we carry the passport.
very nice. Very good. Everybody clap for him. Everybody clap for Atharv Gupta. Good.
Thank
Then
you, ma'am.
the next card. Which is the next ID?
Driving
Ma'am, it is called driving license. The driving license is used to drive if we don't have a driving license. So not have a driving license, so the police can capture ourselves. So we
Yes.
driving license card.
Very nice. Now, the driving license is important for driving. If you are driving any vehicle, it is very important to have a driving license. Otherwise, if without a driving license, if you ride a scooter or drive a car, then the police can catch you. It is not legal to drive without a
And
driving license. Very nice. Now, anybody else?
ma'am, and in the driving there is also a helmet.
Yes, that's important. Okay. Then we have this one. What is this?
Laptop. Voter ID card.
This card, it is an voter card, ma'am. The voter card is used to vote a person who is a prime minister, a president, or an another company of like BJP and company.
So a voter's ID card is used when we have to go and vote. It is important. If you have to vote, if you have to choose your government, you have to show your voter's ID card that you are a citizen of so and so place. And you take the card. Yes.
My phone's battery is so fast. I can't attend class.
Okay, beta. Okay. Will you complete this chapter on your own?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Then we have. Then which card do we have? We have this one. The PAN card.
Senior citizen card.
No, beta, we have this one first.
Senior citizen card. PAN card.
PAN
PAN
card.
card.
Very good, Vedanshi. It is the PAN card.
PAN card.
Then after the PAN card, we have the senior citizen card.
Citizen card.
Senior
Okay,
citizen card. And then after the senior citizen card, we have
Aadhaar card.
Aadhaar card.
Aadhaar card.
Now, everybody just fill this page. Everybody,
Ma'am, already filled the page. Already filled.
those who have not filled will fill it right now. What is the spelling of passport?
P-A-S-S-P-O-R-T.
Very good. Very nice. P-A-S-S-P-O-R-T. Everybody has written passport.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Next, driving license.
D-R-I-V-E-N-I-N. D-R-I-V-I-N-G. License. L-I-C-E-N-S-E.
L-I
L-I-C-E-N-C-E.
N-C-E. Have you written? Okay. Now everybody be quiet. Let me speak the spellings. D-R-I-V-I-N-G. L-I-C-E-N-C-E. Driving license. Okay. Driving license. Then we have the voter ID card. What do we have?
VOTERIDCARD.
Very good. That's
VIRIDCARD.
very good. Very nice. Then after that,
Ma'am,
we
can
have,
I give? Ma'am, what is the third one?
beta, the third one is voter ID card. VOTER. Write down.
Spell the
Yes.
ID. VOTER. ID. Voter ID card. CARD. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then after the voter ID card, we have a PAN card.
PANCARD. PENCARD. PAN card.
PEN nahi, wrong. It's PAN. The pan in which you make a make chai. चाय किस में बनाते हैं हम? We make it in a pan, right? PAN, pan, not pen. No, wrong. No, pan, pan. What is the
E.
PAN? A for apple.
Okay.
PAN, pan. It's not pen card, it's pan card. Pan.
PAN card.
Pan
Ma'am,
card.
I have written.
Atharv Gupta. Atharv Gupta is got mute. Okay. Then we have, after the PAN card, we have senior citizen card.
SENIORCIDIZENCARD.
Okay. Now everybody mute yourselves and let me speak. SENIOR. Senior. CITIZEN. Citizen. And card. CARD. Senior citizen card. Then in the end we have Aadhaar card. Now what is the spelling of Aadhaar? Double A D H A R Aadhaar
Card.
CARD. Aadhaar card.
Yes.
Now children, you have to be very particular about looking at these pictures and naming which card it is. Because in exams, how you are going to get this? You are going to get the picture and then you have to write the name. It's a passport, it's a senior citizen card, or it's a PAN card. Okay? So looking at the picture,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
must know what card it is. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
It is.
ma'am.
How was today's class, children? Did you like it?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Good.
ma'am.
Are you
Yes,
enjoying?
ma'am. I like it.
Good. Are
Ma'am,
you?
it is so wonderful class.
It is so wonderful. Okay. It is wonderful because of you wonderful students. Because you are so wonderful. You've got such lovely smiles. Okay. So children, what